On a tight budget but want an electric bike that gets the job done, TEMU has some cool options that are easy to ride, store, and charge, and also perfect for getting around without spending a lot of cash. So here's a look at some of the most wallet-friendly e-bike options you can find on TEMU right now. All the mentioned e-bike links are in the description below. Number 20. ActBest E-Bike. This 14-inch folding mini e-bike is compact, lightweight, and perfect for quick city trips or short commutes. It's powered by a 749-watt peak motor and comes with a 280.8 watt-hour built-in battery that offers a pedal assist range of up to 26 miles. Weighing just 56 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, while still being sturdy enough to support riders up to 230 pounds. The folding design makes it convenient to tuck away at home, in the office, or even in your car trunk. Despite its small size, it delivers solid performance with responsive acceleration and a smooth ride. Number 19. Koala E-Bike. This electric bike offers a range of 30 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for commuting or casual rides. It has 14-inch inflatable tires that provide a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike is powered by a 500-watt brushless motor, which runs quietly and delivers speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Charging takes 4 to 5 hours, allowing for convenient overnight charging. It weighs 66 pounds, which is sturdy but still portable enough for storage or transport. The bike can support riders weighing up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for most users. Overall, it combines good speed, solid range, and reliable performance for everyday use without unnecessary extras. Number 18. DDC M1 Electric Bike. This adult folding electric bike is designed to go the distance, featuring a large 20 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that lets you travel up to 50 miles in electric assist mode. It can reach a top speed of 26 miles per hour and supports a maximum load of 260 pounds. When you encounter a hill or slope, the powerful 700 watts brushless motor makes climbing effortless. What truly sets this bike apart is its advanced shock absorption system. It includes 10 shock absorbers in total, a double shock absorber in the middle, hydraulic double shock absorbers, double spring shock absorbers under the seat bag, and 4 additional shock absorbers at the rear seat. This comprehensive setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy or uneven roads. Number 17. TotGuard E-Bike. It features professional 21-speed gears, allowing you to adjust your speed for any type of terrain. The lockable front shock fork absorbs bumps for a more comfortable ride on rough paths. The high-quality LCD display keeps you informed with speed, battery level, and distance traveled. For safety, it's equipped with reliable disc brakes and bright LED headlights. This 26-inch electric bike comes with a powerful 500-watt peak motor that lets you reach speeds up to 19 miles per hour. In pure electric mode, you can ride between 28 and 30 miles, and with pedal assist, the range extends to 50 to 60 miles. The bike runs on a removable 374 watt-hour of lithium-ion battery, which takes about 5 hours to fully charge, so you can easily recharge it whenever needed. Number 16. GS5 E-Bike. This folding electric bike is powered by a strong 740-watt motor, which helps you ride up to 20 miles per hour. It can travel about 30 miles on a single battery charge, making it great for daily trips around the city or commuting. The bike has 14-inch by 2.1-inch tires that provide a smooth and stable ride. Its frame is made from durable alloy steel, giving the bike a solid and long-lasting build. For safety, the bike comes with disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power when you need it. The design is sleek and modern, and it's suitable for both adults and teens. Assembly is straightforward and quick. The battery is not only powerful, but also holds a charge well, giving you plenty of riding time before needing a recharge. When riding on flat ground, the bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Number 15. TechTec E-Bike. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful electric bike, this folding mini e-bike could be just what you need. It's equipped with a 500-watt motor that really kicks in once you start pedaling, giving you a smooth and speedy ride. Depending on conditions, you can expect to reach speeds anywhere from 25 to 32 miles per hour. Impressive for a bike this size. Weighing in at around 66 pounds, it's solid but still easy enough to carry or store when folded. The bike features 14-inch tires that handle city streets and light trails well. It runs on a 48-volt 13 amp-hour battery that powers you up to 25 miles on a single charge. perfect for your daily commute or weekend rides. Plus, the dual suspension helps smooth out bumps, making your ride much more comfortable. Number 14. HiSent E-Bike. This electric bike features a 17.5 amperes of lithium battery that offers a range of up to 32 miles on a single charge. It can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it great for city commuting. The 14-inch off-road tires provide good traction and stability on various surfaces, while the dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. An LCD display with built-in headlights keeps you informed and safe during your rides. The bike supports both battery and pedal power modes for flexible riding options. It can travel up to 30 miles and charges quickly, so you won't have to wait long between rides. Plus, it's foldable, making it easy to carry and store when you're not riding. Number 13. Hegnyuan E-Bike. If you're looking for a reliable electric bike that's perfect for getting around town or for short distances, this folding e-bike is a great option. It can take you anywhere from 15 to 22 miles on a single charge. Thanks to its powerful 350-watt motor, you can easily reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour, giving you a nice balance of speed and control. Plus, the folding design makes it super easy to store in small spaces or carry on public transportation. It is built with a mix of iron, aluminum alloy, and rubber. The bike is sturdy and durable, but still lightweight enough to handle comfortably. Number 12. Runner X E-Bike. This foldable electric bike is also perfect for city commuting, featuring a powerful 400-watt motor and a 48-volt 10-amp-hour battery that lets you reach speeds up to 19.9 miles per hour. It offers 3 levels of pedal assist to make pedaling easier, especially on hills, while dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power for safety. The compact 14-inch wheels and foldable frame make it easy to carry and store. Built to support riders up to 330 pounds, it can handle steep climbs of up to 30 degrees smoothly thanks to its 720-watt peak power output, making your rides comfortable and efficient even on challenging terrain. Number 11. Haiqiao E-Bike. This electric off-road bike is built for tough terrain and hills, powered by a strong 500-watt motor paired with a 36-volt battery system. The pneumatic tires provide better grip and shock absorption. Disc brakes on the bike ensure quick and safe stopping, even on steep or uneven trails. The removable battery is convenient, allowing you to charge it separately without bringing the whole bike inside. An advanced LCD display shows important info like speed, battery life, and riding mode, helping you stay informed during your ride. It supports standard 110 volts or 220 volts charging outlets. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour, this bike is fast and reliable. Its durable build can last 3 to 7 years with proper maintenance, offering long-term performance for off-road adventures. Number 10. Xiaoze-E Bike. This folding electric bike is made for urban commuting, combining convenience with performance. It features a powerful 400-watt motor and reaches speeds between 15 to 20 miles per hour, making daily travel quicker and easier. The 14-inch tires provide good stability on city roads, while disc brakes ensure reliable and safe stopping. With a lightweight frame of just 65 pounds, it's easy to carry and store when folded. It supports a rider weight of up to 265 pounds and includes adjustable handlebars and seat for a comfortable fit. The bike runs on a dual-purpose power system, battery or manual pedaling, and includes 3 gear options for different riding needs. Number 9. Spacewalk M6 E-Bike. It also features a 48 volts 15 amperes hour removable lithium battery, offering reliable power with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Equipped with sturdy 16-inch fat tires and a 7-speed gear system, it handles different terrain smoothly. The bike uses disc brakes for strong, dependable stopping power. This one is also made with a mix of iron, aluminum alloy, and stainless steel. It's both durable and lightweight. The bike supports dual power modes, battery and pedal assist, and charges easily with 100 to 240 volts outlets. It's a solid choice for everyday rides. Number 8. DeepPower S7. This 20-inch electric bike is made for riders who want power and long rides. It has a strong 740-watt motor and a 48-volt system that lets you reach speeds up to 27 miles per hour. You can choose between 2 batteries, dual batteries for up to 100 miles, or a single 13-amp-hour or 35 25 amp hour battery for shorter trips. The large, easy-to-read display shows your speed, battery life, and more while you ride. Built for mountain and off-road use, it comes with reliable disc brakes that stop smoothly and safely. It works in both battery and pedal assist modes, and you can charge the battery with standard 110 volts or 220 volts outlets. This bike is great for riders who want comfort and control on long journeys. Number 7. VDL E-Bike. This folding electric bike built for compact storage, featuring foldable handlebars, pedals, and a height-adjustable seat. It weighs just 40 pounds and is easy to carry or stow away. It is powered by a 500-watt peak motor. It hits a top speed of 20 miles per hour and offers a range of 20+ miles in pedal assist mode. The 14-inch wheels provide a smooth, stable ride, while the removable battery charges quickly for added convenience. With 4 riding modes, cruise, boost, pure electric, and mechanical, you can switch between styles to match your route or mood. A smart pick for city riders or anyone with limited space who still wants performance and flexibility. Number 6. DeepPower E-Bike. This folding electric bike features a 400 watts of brushless motor and can reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour. It comes with 14-inch wheels and is designed for adults, offering 3 levels of pedal assist for a smooth ride. The bike is equipped with a multi-shock system to handle bumps comfortably. It has a 15 amp hour rechargeable lithium battery that provides a range of 20 to 30 miles on a single charge. The brakes are linear pull or V brakes for reliable stopping power. It supports both battery and pedal power modes and operates on 110 volts or 220 volts, and the maximum power ranges between 250 watts and 500 watts, with a maximum speed from 15 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour. Number 5. Fifth wheel electric. With a powerful battery, this electric bike lets you travel up to 25 miles using just electric power, or extend your ride up to 45 miles when using pedal assist. The bike's front fork features shock absorption, which helps make your ride more comfortable by reducing vibrations, especially during downhill sections. It is powered by a strong 500 watts of motor. It comes with a 7-speed transmission system, giving you flexibility to handle different terrains easily. Plus, the comfortable human-machine interface keeps you in control and informed throughout your ride. The bike runs on a 48 volts, 10.4 ampere system to give you reliable, powerful performance wherever you go. Number 4. A 2 E-Bike. This electric bike runs on a 350 watts of motor and can reach speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour. On a full charge, it can go about 25 kilometers, which makes it great for short commutes or getting around town. It can carry up to 120 kilos, and the strong, high-carbon steel frame adds to its durability. The 14-inch tires are puncture-proof, so you won't have to worry about flats. It has a clear LED display to show your speed and battery level, plus a front LED light for better visibility. The spring suspension helps smooth out bumps, and the cable disc brakes give solid stopping power. The battery charges in 4 to 5 hours, and it can handle slopes up to 20 degrees. Number 3. MilePort Foldable E-Bike. If you're after an electric bike that can handle both your weekday commute and weekend adventures, the MilePort 1 might just be it. It's foldable, which makes storage easy, and packed with practical features. The 680-watt motor and 13 amp hour removable battery give you up to 100 kilometers of range, plenty for longer rides or daily use. With 7-speed gears, it adapts smoothly whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rougher paths, even sand or snow. It tops out at 20 miles per hour, which feels quick without being overwhelming. The 20-inch tires strike a good balance between control and comfort. Add in LED headlights and brake lights for visibility, plus a sturdy high-carbon steel frame, and you've got a bike that's built to go wherever you do. Number 2. Windhorse E-Bike. This 16-inch electric bike is also a great everyday option for both teens and adults, offering a balance of portability, range, and comfort. Its folding design makes it easy to store or carry. It is powered by a 36-volt 8 amp hour removable battery, and it delivers up to 35 miles in pedal assist mode and around 19 miles in pure electric mode. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour, it's quick enough for city rides without feeling too fast. The bike also includes front suspension to smooth out bumps and improve ride comfort. Plus, with 3 riding modes, you can switch between full electric, assist, or manual depending on your needs. A solid, compact ride built for convenience convenience. Number 1, UR Life E-Bike. This electric bike could also be a good option for city riding. It is designed to be reliable and easy to use for anyone. It has a strong 500 watts of motor and a 48 volts of battery that can take you 40 to 60 kilometers on a single charge. The dual suspension makes the ride smoother over rough roads, and the disc brakes give you solid control when stopping. It can reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour. With a kickstand for convenience and a rechargeable lithium battery that charges, this bike combines durability and practicality. It is mostly made from iron and sturdy enough to handle daily use without being too heavy. That wraps it up. So if you're after a good e-bikes option that won't empty your wallet, these cheap electric bikes on TEMU are seriously worth a look. Check the description for prices and more details. Thanks for watching.